back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and doing well. In today's video, I'm very excited to be sharing a new OHMistry project that is going to be releasing in a couple days. It's an extra special OHMistry project because it was designed in collaboration with my really dear best friend Angie, also known as DailyCharmAddict on Instagram, and Angie here on YouTube. I will link her social media profiles down below in the description bar of this video. So here's a quick sneak peek of her OHMistry bead that is going to be releasing. OHM Beads was kind enough to send me this bead to review. They gifted this item to me, and so I can kind of design, get to preview it before release day, and I couldn't be more thrilled. Like, I am dying to see this bead. So I've actually had this bead for a couple weeks now, but I purposely have not looked at it because I really wanted to film like a live unboxing of seeing it for the first time, just because it's so special to me, because one of my, like as I mentioned, Angie, my dear friend, she designed this, and I just wanted to capture this moment on camera so she can kind of see my first impressions and reactions to it. So I will be sharing that with you, but I'm also going to dive in a lot deeper into the meaning behind this bead, Angie's inspirations, and everything behind it. This bead is called Imperfect Angel, and if you'd like to know more about it, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea, coffee, or your choice of beverage, and let's get started with today's video. Imperfect Angel will be releasing on August 19th, 10 a.m. Seattle time, and like all OHMistry projects, it's limited to only 111. So if this is a bead you end up falling in love with, I really do encourage you to go to OHM Beads' website August 19th, right around 10 a.m. and purchase one, because a lot of the OHMistry projects can sell out really fast. So definitely, if it's one that you love, sooner rather than later is advised. Alright, so here is a look at the box art of Imperfect Angel. This box art was all done by Angie herself. She drew this, and I think it's amazing. You can see the textures of the pencil crayons, all the little details, and little angel with the wings, the halo, and I love how Angie hand drew the OHM symbol. Like, I love that little detail, so pretty. When you turn it over, you do have the name of the bead, so Imperfect Angel by Angie with her artist signature. Love how OHM Beads does that, as well as the OHM Beads website. You also see some beautiful clouds, blue skies, really pretty. There's so many details like all over the box art, and I love when OHM Beads does like a limited edition box art. It makes it extra special. So now I'm going to slide it open, and we're going to see what's inside. Okay, so we have the little insert, so let's pull that out. It's already a little spoiled. Now, I will tell you guys, I have seen her bead. I've seen photos. I just haven't seen it in real life. So here we have the little insert. So we have Imperfect Angel OHMistry Limited Edition by OHM. It's style number AAX113. And here we have Angie's thing. So I have the OHM hashtag, so it says OHM, O hashtag H. Style number with 111. So this actually means, if you guys didn't know, this means that this is for like any OHM ambassador. Says, you guys know I'm an OHM ambassador. So this one isn't actually part of the 111. It's kind of like this like sample version of it that I get to review. So it's actually not one of the 111, in case you wanted to know. So here's the little insert. Really beautiful. I love when you open it up. It's a side detail of this beautiful, sweet little angel. She's so stunning, and you can already see that one of her wings are uneven, which I think is so cool. So that's the insert. And now I'm going to see her bead for the first time. Oh my gosh, let me put the box here. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful. Look, she's holding a little necklace. Oh my gosh, she has the sweetest little face. Oh my gosh, she couldn't be more adorable. And her ears are so big and cute. I love how she's just sitting cross-legged. Her wings are amazing. Like, one is bigger than the other one, and it looks like the wings is where the bracelet will go through. Beautifully done. Even the detail on her back is amazing. Oh my gosh, and her jeans. She's wearing little jeans, and her little like shoes. Shoes have so much detail. I love how she's just kind of holding her necklace, you know, just sitting relaxed. The halo details are really pretty. I love how it's kind of tilted upwards, just slightly off. Oh my gosh, I need to like zoom in. I think when I'm doing this, you guys probably are seeing it zoomed in, but I haven't been able to zoom in yet. So I do see the 925, and then I'm just looking for her artist signature, but I think it'll be easier to see that once I've zoomed up in the camera. So I think if anything, I'm going to do some voiceover here right now so I can kind of point out all the additional details that I might not be picking up right now. So here we are a little bit more zoomed in, and I can share with you some of the details. So number one, I love how you can see the little hair details on top of her head. We can see her cute little nose, and here you can also see the hallmarks. The detail on the wings is amazing, like the feathered details. Even her little shirt that she's wearing, it looks like it has a hood at the back, little cuffs on it. You can see the little like ponytail holders there. Like so many little details, so well thought out on it. Again, here's a close-up of her wings. And again, I love how you can see the little stitch detail on her denim jeans. So cool, like so many clever thoughts. Here again is some more close-ups of the hallmark details that you can find on it. I love it, like they're so hidden, like so perfectly on the bead itself. And then here again is a look at her shoes. You can see Angie's signature there on the bottom, the 925 to mark that it's sterling silver. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm just blown away. Now the back detail I think is so cool because you do see the OHM logo there and it looks like she has a hood. Angie, your bead is amazing and I feel so incredibly honored that I get to review it and style with it. I can't even wait to like put it on a bracelet. It is just so gorgeous, Angie. You did a beautiful job and I'm so excited for you and so excited for this bead to release and to hear what everyone else thinks of it. It's so special and the meaning behind it is so beautiful. As I share with you my bracelet design, I'm going to read you Angie's description of her bead. Angels are made of pure love, light, and spirit. While most often depicted as beautiful and flawless, the reality is no one is perfect, not even angels. Imperfect Angel is a bead to remind us ordinary mortals that sometimes good enough is good enough. In an environment of often digitally created impossible perfection, it is easy to let feelings of self-doubt and insecurity ebb in while confidence and self-esteem flow away. Try to remember that what we see is not always truth, and we can each be a bright light, a guardian, and a positive force in life. Embrace and celebrate the unique being you are, and share in the good, real, and perfect spirit of OHM's Imperfect Angel by Angie. I love the message of this bead. It's one that I personally find very inspiring and a wonderful reminder in my own life. Now I'm going to share with you the different glass beads I decided to pair with Imperfect Angel. So I have the Slim Coconut Jelly, I have OHM Spark of Life, then I also have the White Rabbit, and then the OHM Slim Milky bead. And then I also have the water spacers on the edges there, and then the oxidized OHM Bangle. So love how these look. I think they look really magical. Kind of wanted to go for more of like a cloud, angelic, lighthearted feel with this. I also thought it looked really pretty with my outfit with the little pops of white. And you might also spot in the background my OHM fairy necklace. This is an exclusive to OHM in Australia, and I paired it with an OHM bead as well as the Give bead, which is also a new bead from this year. And then of course I had to stack this with my Don't Give Up themed OHM Beads bracelet. And you might also spot some other beads from the OHM August collection. If you do want to see that collection, I do have a YouTube video, which I'll leave linked up above the screen right now. Anyway, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing a look at Imperfect Angel designed by OHM Beads and Angie, DailyCharmAddict. Angie, you did just such an incredible job. This is a beautiful bead. The meaning and inspiration behind it just touches my heart. It's so close to my heart, and it's amazing. You did an incredible job. I cannot wait for August 19th, 10 a.m. for this bead to launch, I should say, just to see what everyone else thinks of it. I think this is going to be such a popular special bead to so many collectors, and I truly feel honored to have had the opportunity to review this early, get to see it early, and it blows my mind. It's amazing. So thank you so much, OHM Beads. Thank you, Angie, for designing this bead for us charm bead collectors, and yeah, it's so excited. Anyway, you guys, I would love to know your thoughts on Imperfect Angel. Do you love it? What do you think of it? Please let me know down below in the comment section. Anyway, that is it for today's video. I wish you a magical, wonderful rest of your day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now, you guys.